Hey guys, Ryan here from Titan. I wanted to do a short video on how we got all of our single streams and data for Spotify into the day of our album coming out, 250,000 streams. Check this out. So what you want to do is go to a single that you put out at any point in time before the album or EP. Go scroll down to the ISRC code, and what you're going to do is you're going to copy this ISRC code, okay? So when you copy that, then you're gonna go up to your upload, and it's like upload music or whatever. And then fill all this out, scroll down, fill it all out. Then when you get to this, it says upload your audio file. I personally uploaded the original audio file that was as the single first, just to be safe. So I upload the original single. Already have an ISRC code. You click yes, paste this in. Finish off the rest of it. Do that to all the singles that you have on the album, right? And then when you put it out, it's all gonna tally up, tally up into your main stream. This album came out the other day or yesterday, so our data is still coming through. But boom, you'll get your single numbers tallied up into your overall stream, of your album. So hope that helped everyone out. Hope that clears things up for anyone that had questions. But that's the power of the ISRC codes. Thanks, guys.